So, as we said earlier, 8 people were secured yesterday. Suspects were stored yesterday. After sustained interrogation and due analysis and due diligence of the facts and circumstances as pertaining to each of the suspects, we have arrested those 8 people and we have seized 7 blood-stained weapons from them, 1 Zomato T-shirt and Zomato bag, and 3 bikes, which were prima facie used in the commission of the offence. In continuation of the same, the special teams, 10 special teams formed by Greater Chennai Police, have also been able to secure 3 more suspects. After again the same similar process of sustained interrogation and thorough due diligence process, we will take a call on whether there is a complicity of these 3 suspects, and then accordingly we will decide upon the arrest or otherwise of these 3 people. The preliminary investigation conducted so far as of now, the motive prima facie, which appears to be based on, as I said, different types of analysis, is the murder of 2023 in August, when Arcot Suresh was murdered by a gang, which the family and the associates of Arcot Suresh feel that they believe that it was done under the direction or sort of with the in conspiracy with Mr. Armstrong, who was murdered yesterday, by the associates of Arcot Suresh. Even his own brother is involved, and he has been arrested by us yesterday. So that is the. Yeah, we have. Yes, we are duly aware of that, and definitely, as I said, 10 teams have been formed. Apart from that, also we'll see which areas to cover, which other antisocial elements we should have more watch than earlier, where the watch can be reduced or increased. So, depending upon the analysis and further process, further intelligence collection, our colleagues who give us lot of intelligence, who give lot of useful inputs, a lot of sources come, informants come, all of us work as a team. So we'll work on that, and definitely we'll try to prevent further issues. No, see, while saying that, there should be something to base your this thing. There should be a base that, like you say something, now there is a base, you ask me a question. So I am replying. There has to be some evidence to depend upon that, so that then you can of course make an allegation. So as of now, there is, as I said, the whole machinery, whether it is law and order machinery or whether there are our sister wings of Tamil Nadu Police under the able guidance of Tamil Nadu government, we all have been working as a team. And in 24 hours time, you can see 8 accused and 3 suspects have been secured, arrested. And the huge problem, huge issues today, you have seen reasonably tense atmosphere was there initially, but police was able to sort of control everything. There was not a bit of issues or law and order machinery everywhere, which speaks volumes about the police functioning and overall administration. Thank you.